the new parts, as I mentioned, and it's all recalibrated. So each refurb ventilator comes with the same warranty, bumper to bumper, 2-year warranty that you would get out of the box with a Philips Respironics.
Okay. This is Leland Hardy bringing to you live July 17, 2020. I'm here in an undisclosed location, inspecting hundreds of ventilators for customers, include cities, states, municipalities, and hospital groups. Give me that again about the in-house maintenance and warranty
we have
situation.
our own department here in-house, and they go ahead and they repair as well as do the preventative maintenance on all our Trilogy 100 ventilators. I'll take you in there in a second. And all the parts that come there come straight from Philips Respironics. So not only are the guys doing the repair work certified and trained by Philips, all the parts that go in there are directly from Philips Respironics. So it's the same parts that get manufactured inside the unit.
Beautiful.
I have a few new ones down here, probably only about 25. But as you can see, we got many equipment. I'll take you in another location and show you even more. But these are the locations that we ship out to our patients and our customers on a day-to-day basis. That, you know, it's quick, easy pick locations for them.
Beautiful.
I'll take you in a department now that they do all the repair work and all the preventative maintenance.
Beautiful.
It's our PM department. So all these units that come in here, anytime event comes back here, these guys will go ahead, open them up, check them out, you know, do diagnostics to see what's wrong with the unit. If nothing's wrong with the unit, it still goes through a process, so it gets recalibrated and recertified, and that has to happen every 2 years. It's the preventative maintenance part. All these units are going through the test after the repair. These are the ventilators right here. And we're cycling out units like this every day.
Beautiful. How you feel, Bill?
The test right here take about an hour to finish after the repair is being done. So each guy could pump out quite a bit of vents per day. Guys in here open up the ventilators, do any repair work that's required, whether a board needs to be changed, the blowers, tubing, anything that needs to be changed. The guys in here will open them up, take everything out, change it up, put the new parts straight from Philips, close it back up, seal it, and then the guys on this side will go ahead and test them out. And they'll be ready to go out to our customer locations.
Okay.
I'll take you over to 2 more locations inside this building where we have ventilators. Ventilators we're going to look at now are brand new. These aren't going to be refurbs. But as far as the refurbs go, in that department you have 8 guys testing constantly. So they can get out each 8 vents per day. So I mean, they can get out 64 vents in a day, that department. And that's if other people aren't testing on a different shift or we're not working any overtime. We've produced, in the height of COVID, they would produce over 100 vents per day in that department.
Perfect.
Now, right when we come around this corner, as you can see, we lined up right here. These are Trilogy 100 ventilators, straight from Philips Respironics. These vents came in this morning, brand new from the factory. Got 100 vents in today. We're part of, we're one of Philips Respironics' largest customers. We're part of, we get a production run out of the vents they produce every week. So these are brand new.
And again, this is Leland Hardy, considered America's, Leland Hardy considered America's secret weapon in the fight against COVID-19. And that I've been operating in China for some 40 years. I speak, read, and write Chinese with native fluency, and I have key relationships with parties such as this that we're touring right now. I have direct factory relationships here on the ground in the United States of America to help meet the demands and needs as we spike up, unfortunately, around the country, having reopened in some places perhaps a bit too soon. California, Arizona, Texas, Louisiana, and other places. So we're here to meet the demand at proper price points, service, with excellent customer service delivery, and that's what we're here to do, continuing the tour.
If you want to zoom in right here, just so they can see the ventilator right here, they're all made inside the United States. Each ventilator comes with a 2-year warranty straight from the manufacturer. And again, if it's a refurb from our company, we back all of our vents with a 2-year warranty, bumper to bumper. Anything goes wrong with that ventilator within those 2 years, we'll go ahead and get that fixed for you. We'll take a trip up the elevator now and go to the 4th floor where I have some additional ventilators.
Beautiful. And again, with regard to the China connection, I have the most direct factory relationships. I have an entire staff of individuals on the ground to handle customs, brokerage, shipping, monitoring and tracking of material, vetting. I help the vet factories on behalf of the governor of the state of New York, who's director of his hospital group, asked me to join that team, and I did that for that secret delivery that happened by the owner of the Brooklyn Nets. Hopefully this doesn't cut off in the elevator. I just want to keep it running so I don't have to edit video. Going up to the 4th floor now, you said?
Yes, sir.
Again, here at a secret, undisclosed location. But we'll be able to bring inspectors from cities and states, other buyers. If you want to come and inspect these goods and mark the serial numbers of the ventilators, we can do that.
This is just a backstock location that we have. Everything's tucked away. Have an additional 120 ventilators right here, all ready to ship out. These are all fresh, brand new. We got these in, half of them 2 weeks ago, the other half a week prior. You can zoom in, it's gonna be the same ventilators as you saw earlier. Downstairs.
Yeah.
And these are all ready to roll. In each box, it's going to come straight from Philips Respironics. You're going to have a passive circuit, a trach adapter, a HEPA filter, a Trilogy carry bag, as well as power cord, and our owner's manual. So it comes all ready to go. All you really truly need for the Trilogy 100 is a full face mask if it's going to be a non-invasive patient to hook up.
Now, and what about invasive intubations?
Invasive, you would need a trach. That'd be an additional piece of equipment that you would need, but the trach adapter that you would hook up from the circuit is included in the packaging as well.
So this is a ICU hospital use?
This is what we classified as an emergency ventilator, right. And yes, it is capable to do invasive as well as non-invasive.
Right, okay. Ready to go to the next location?
Yeah, we can go to the next location. When we get there, I can show you different types of ventilators too. We have a few different types of ventilators there,
right.
As well as oxygen concentrators, as well as portable concentrators.
Beautiful. This is video phase 1, July 17, 2020. Leland, how you bring it to you live.